Alright guys, update on the John Deere 100 series. I believe it's an LA 135.
Yes.
So figured out what the deal was with this. You guys will know from my previous videos, mowed with it week 1, week 2, came out week 3, starts up for a few seconds, would die. Thought it was a fuel problem. I checked that I had fuel from this little pump right here. So I thought, oh, well, I've got fuel from this pump. I've got spark at the plug. Must be a carburetor problem. The carburetor is right here and it's notoriously rough to get to. Gotta take off the hood and the fan cover and the motor cover. And then you've got the intake, 2 bolts on each side for that. The carb will pull off. You have to pop out this little linkage piece. You can slide that one out. But the entire problem was this little solenoid right here that's on the bottom of the bowl. It's attached to a rod that apparently moves in and out and pushes fuel up into the carburetor. And there's a plug right there for it, and apparently they are notorious to stick. And this mower has set a lot in its life. Apparently this one has stuck. So guys are saying you can maybe tap on this. Well, anyway, we took the whole carb off, took the bowl off, made sure everything was clean. It all looked clean. And then we put it back on and this started working. You can instantly tell because when you unplug it and plug it back in, you'll be able to hear it click. Yeah, so you'll be able to hear it click and the rod move. So you can basically just hold the bowl and plug it in and out of that plug, and you can watch the little rod move back and forth. So once we knew that was working, put the carb back on, and the mower fired right up. So it's kind of sad that I've let this thing sit all summer and mowed with my backup mower that is a POS Craftsman, when I could have been using this nice hydrostatic John Deere. But I didn't because I was dreading pulling everything off to get to the carb, when all I probably would have had to do was tap on that electric fuel solenoid right there. So another little piece of information that might be good to know is guys are saying that they don't know if you can remove these. If you try to spin it out, it'll just spin and spin and spin. So you'll probably have to buy the bowl and the solenoid together. But the good news is it looks like if you have a short enough stubby screwdriver, you may be able to get that bowl off without taking anything else off carb-wise. So I don't know, just thoughts. I'm not really sure. But definitely, if you come out to your John Deere 100 series and it starts and only runs for a few seconds, check this first before you start tearing everything apart and get depressed all summer like I did and not mess with it.
So you can hear it now.
Yeah, so we're turning the key on and off, and you can hear it. And we could not hear that before, so it all makes sense. But yeah, little tip. Hope it helps somebody. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.